Well, welcome back to my project. It has been well over a year. And guess what? We're still about the same as we were before. Had a lot of issues, just finally starting to get back on it. I'll make a full-length video for where we're at, but let's do this. That's the only thing that's really been done so far is that window because the other one was broken right there. We're gonna clean that up too. But anyway, this is it's been a big, interesting project. It's got a lot going on. We're gonna get this baby moving with all the wood over here. They're gonna lay it out today. We're gonna get the plumbing going today. We're gonna have a lot of fun stuff going on really quick. We'll get some good videos. We'll show you a true pain in the butt rehab and a long story behind it.